Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and if you're watching this video, we're going to be looking at how to use our slideshow here for our semester one wrap-up activities to help us not only get caught up on our work, but to use today productively to end our very first semester here in e-learning on a positive note and get our grades where we need to be and be able to kind of walk away from our very first semester as e-learners. So we're going to walk through all the different slides. We're going to talk about resources you have available to you, and then we are going to obviously wrap this up. So this slideshow is going to start off obviously having you complete the survey. When you're done, make sure if you put your X in either the yellow or the red section, you make sure you call me in just so we can double check things with you. But let's go ahead and take a look. For this slideshow, there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slides that are going to help you guys get caught up if you need it with your classes, or at the very least kind of take a final check of our grades moving forward. So let's go ahead and take a look at the very first slide. So here in the very first slide, or task 2, this is got a screenshot section. It's got a things to work on section, and this is obviously going to be for your science class. Your job is going to be to go into PowerSchool and take a screenshot of your science assignments and obviously your science grade, and you're going to be posting it in here. Whatever your current progress is, okay? If you need access or links to all the different resources, you can go down here and you can grab the speaker bar, and if you pull it up, you have all of your different resources and ways to contact me. So you have the Haiku page, you have Padlet, here's your PowerSchool link if you need to jump into PowerSchool quickly. We have all of our different stuff here to help you be successful, along with how to communicate with me. So if you need quick access, it's all there. Otherwise, you're going to go into PowerSchool, you're going to screenshot your science class, and more specifically, all of the assignments you see for science. And you're going to take a look at what you may or may not need to finish, whether it's missing work, whether it's incomplete work, that sort of thing. And you are going to record it in this blue section. Once you've taken your screenshot, I'd like you to take a look at any of your classes, grades, things that you need to finish, and you're going to go into the things to work on section here. And let's say maybe you need to work on 2.2.3. You'll type that in there. Or maybe you need to work on the 2.2.4 review. Whatever you need to do, you'll put that in there, okay? Obviously, once it's in here, we should probably go in and dive in and work on that. So if you need to go into your drive, if you need to go into your classes, whatever you need to do to find those assignments, work on those. Anything that you find that are missing, that sort of thing, make sure you complete them. And then obviously email. Again, you can pull up that resource bar. You can click on the email your teacher link, and then you can quickly email me, say, Mr. Regan, I just finished 2.2.3. Boom, done. Okay. So screenshot your science grades, record what you need to work on, complete those assignments, and then obviously we will look to email your teachers there, okay? You'll do that for all of your classes, okay? You'll do that for your math class, you'll do that for lit, you'll do that for history, exploratory 1, exploratory 2, that sort of thing. If you have no missing work, if you have no incomplete assignments, if you're all caught up, obviously this things to work on section will be blank, and then your PowerSchool screenshot will be your evidence. Hey, Mr. Regan, look, I don't have anything to work on. Awesome. We'll virtually high five and we'll move on from there. The next to last slide before our check-in is the team homework page. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where you go into the homework page. You look at today's homework. You look at maybe past homework assignments, things that may not show up in the gradebook or things you're currently working on, and you'll get stuff done. So maybe you didn't finish our last 2.2.4 activity. Obviously, that was due today. You can put that in there. Maybe you're working on a literacy thing, one of your journals. You can type in, journal, whatever it may be here. And then obviously you'll complete that and then email your teachers that you finished them, or whatever the turn-in process is, okay? So notice we're taking stock of all the things in PowerSchool, and then for task 8, we're looking at what we need to complete of our most recent assignments. From there, I want to check in with you. I want to make sure that everything's going well. I want to make sure that all of our assignments are turned in, grades are good, that sort of stuff, okay, before we move on to the next section. The next section is going to be a survey that we're completing, a reflection survey on the year, asking kind of for your feedback on how things went, and then we're going to play a little game of golf. There's going to be a video here breaking down how to play the game of golf, whether you know how to or not. It's kind of a fun game. And then that will be kind of the last stuff we do before you wrap it up, making sure everything's complete, and then obviously checking in with me one last time. So, folks, that's how we use our slideshow to kind of get caught up and wrap up things for semester 1, quarter 2. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise,